Okay, so we will start. So let's look at it. This is going to be the first command we are going to use. The first command that we are going to use is wget. All right, so we will do it on a terminal. So wget allows you to download files. So if you have some files on a remote server and you have the download link, you can use wget to get these files. Okay, so that's what we are going to start with. So we are using Linux commands or utilities. All right, so this is one thing you must always know. Okay, because you will definitely download files if you are dealing with bioinformatics data. So you need to know how to use this. All right, so let's do this. So with wget, you just type it like this. All right, that will give you some information that shows you how to get the help command. But then we are going to use an example data, a real world data. So we will need to get a link. wget, to use it is simple. Wget, and then you specify your link, the link to the file that you want to use. All right. So let's head to one of my GitHub repos. I have an example data that we'll use. So I want you to head over to this GitHub repo of mine. The link to this repo is in the description box. I repeat, the link to this repo is in the description box. So when you are here, look at this file. So there's one called myfiles.zip. All right, so that's what we are going to use to demonstrate how to use wget to download files. So when you are here, click it again. So when you click it, you'll be sent to this page. You will not see anything, but don't worry, everything is fine. So what we are going to do is to download the file using wget. That means we need to get a down link. All right, that's what we are going to do. So we will come back to this side. We will get back here. Let's just check it here. Come to this side here. All right, I repeat, come to this side. So when you are here, you see this raw button here. Right click it and then come to copy link. All right, this will allow you to copy. So I repeat, use your cursor or your mouse. Come to the raw button, right click and then go to copy link. So this will copy the download link for you. Then you can move to your terminal. All right, so on the terminal, what you do is to type wget and then you paste the link there. All right, so you paste the link. For me, I think my font size was big. That's why I have some of the text coming to the side. But just type wget and paste your link there. Anyway, to avoid confusion, I'll just minimize my font size so that we see everything on a single line. I think that will help because some people may end up getting confused. So I'll just minimize my font size here so that we see everything as it is. Let's do it again. Let's see. Yeah, nice. So this is what we have. So you should have something like this. So wget, and then you just supply your link like this, and that's fine. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be when you're using wget. Okay, so once you are done with it, you can just hit the enter button, and this will download the file for you. It's a zip file, by the way. So all that I want to do is to just download it. Okay, so it has been downloaded. I will switch back to the original font size so that we can continue. I think this was just for demonstration purpose. So it's done. All right, so let's continue. So the file has been downloaded. So if it's downloaded successfully, you will find this statement here. You'll find the name and then you see this zip saved. Then you'll see this one here saved. That means everything has been done successfully. All right, so this gives us an opportunity to revisit our first episode. If you have not watched that, please check the description. There's a link to that video. So to list the content of files, what do? We use ls. And so now that we have downloaded this file, we need to just check it out. So I can just say ls to see the file there. All right, now let's do this. There are so many tests here. I want us to clear everything here. Let's resume this. So I'll just do a clear to clear it, and then I'll do an ls again to see the file. So this is what we downloaded. All right, so it's so cool. All right, so that's what you need to know about wget. So again, you just type wget and then you supply your link. So this will download everything for you. All right, so it's very simple and straightforward. For those who are struggling, I will still put the down link itself to the in the discussion box so that you can use that. So you don't need to even go to the GitHub repo. Just check the discussion box so you find the link that you can use directly. Okay, with wget. All right, so that's it. So with wget, it's possible to add other options. For example, you can download and then move this file to a different directory. You can also download and rename at the same time. But these are things that we will cover in later tutorials. Or you can also check it out. If you use wget --help, you have options that will come and you can just look at them. All right, but if you still have issues and you want one-on-one sessions on these kinds of tutorials, then you can always reach out to me. We can work further. But for the most part, this simple command should work for you as a beginner, unless you want some additional functionality. But this one should work for you, right? So let's proceed.